Morning. Good luck.
Quick flush down there.
CELU, HEPA, BIOR, INTY, AVCT, BWEN,
GNUS, Genius Brands,
Morning,
Consolidated
AJ, Adley, Jag,
Platforms under
Shasina.
newly created Genius
What was that?
Networks,
Adley, Jag, Shasina.
Golf November Uniform Sandy, NASDAQ up 0.56% after the open, Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.38%, S&P 500 up 0.48%
It's still going up.
after the open.
Watching TPIC.
CPIC?
Never. TPIC. Volume sucks.
I don't even see that on my scanner.
NOTV up, earnings, 7.20-ish would be okay.
U.S. Senate Commerce Committee will investigate cause of the FAA computer system outage. That's on the committee chair, reported by Reuters.
NOTV, INMD,
Dang. Try to hit it.
I want to read a little bit more.
I mean, I did too, but it seemed like
BIOR, AVCT, HEPA, HEPA, INM, HEPA, HEPA, AVCT, PRTY, BWEN, 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 UPC,
No. Ay, come on, coin.
that
We're
feels
watching coin. I'm trying to get this into bounce on me.
AUPH is fine. Not as bad, not as big as coin, but
BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY, the February 1.5 and January 27th 3.5 calls active on Bravo, Bravo, Bravo Yankee.
AXNX, AXNX,
You said BBBY?
user,
no, AUPH.
not.
No, I thought somebody said BBBY and just hearing things.
Well, that was sharp.
UPC,
Oh, okay. I am like literally not focused.
BWEN, maybe.
B1,
Doing now.
WEN.
We don't have share.
Okay. MD, PDD.
INMD in mode shares falling here after their earlier report. Company reporting guidance.
UPC,
Shares initially traded higher, now falling here
UPC,
after trading higher in the pre-market.
AVCT,
35.71
UPC,
in the November Michael Delta.
SHC held up there.
Yeah.
No, you choppy socks. Coin's gone too far up now for me. I don't like it for a short. Let's see what it does right here.
SHC up.
NOTV.
Yep, I'm not digging what that's doing.
Hear me?
NOTV.
Hello?
Hiya.
NOTV.
How?
Coin going back to highs. Anybody wants to trade something wacky? Okay, PDD, low volume.
A little more
JKS.
for
FRTX.
NOTV.
HEPA. FRTX. FRTX.
It's an interesting daily there.
TV.
Yeah, I was about to say that daily sucks.
I know, man.
HEPA.
It's intimidating daily.
Dang. NOTV, I had to order out a little.
I had mine at 7:30.
HEPA.
Order cancelled.
Scared of it. It's getting that.
JKS pushing up.
So bad.
That's
Hear me
kind of
okay?
good too.
JKS.
Can you guys hear me?
On my end, but I might have you turned down.
I'm just making sure you can hear me because my button thing's not. So I didn't.
Yeah, you can hear you. You were lower this morning. I didn't turn it up.
HOTV with a lock. Is earnings, keep it in mind if you took some. Asterisk NOTV.
OTRK. CELU.
Dark.
MKFG.
JKS is super light volume too, man. Jesus.
MKFG.
Where's the volume at today?
Yeah, I took it away because it didn't have.
Yeah, that's really hard to jump in that thing with 400K.
GME might get interest in Jag. We only have 38,000 shares.
I don't even have any.
This has been the story of my life lately. Volume has been so crappy in the morning.
JKS.
GME 37K.
Yeah. Light volume on that too.
Run up.
500,000.
Man, it's everything, dude. I think AMD is over 1 million. It does. But even PDD, 400,000, dude.
Brothers.
The CVNA.
That volume?
750.
A little more.
Worth
A
me.
little more, huh?
NOTV.
Oh, that's moving, huh?
EROS is me.
Low volume day, dude. Guess that happened. CBNA, man, I'm gonna have range issues on. I got a feeling. All prices right here. All right. Back up.
JKS.
GME.
leading. So similar.
You're talking about all these stocks are moving up on no volume? Right market, dude, mainly. I think people are wondering if this buy's gonna make it now. And ugh, gotta hate that chart
SHC
on
dollar
the
bills, yo.
JKS too. It's so choppy. Part of me wants to trade it, but another part of me says stay away.
CV.
MKFG. MLGO. MLGO. MLGO.
Oh my god.
Wow. CVNA up.
NASDQ. NOTV.
TV is going again.
Who is?
NOTV. Needs a bigger push though.
That one is on earnings.
What stock?
No TV.
NOTV.
No
And,
TV, NOTV.
NOTV. NOTV.
Okay, gotcha.
NOTV.
Keep hearing MOTV and being confused.
MKFG. 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 CVNA.
Oh, like so many of these charts.
NOTV.
CDNA just had a nice little spike.
NOTV.
Like it popped through 5.
That's a daily and a half, huh?
Yeah.
It's just been on the
NOTV.
bottom for a bit.
CSIQ.
Normally follows the SPY a lot.
JKS.
What's that?
Normally, like, it does exactly what the SPY does. I don't know if it's going to do
I
that.
think now that it's $4, it's like a penny stock.
Too, yeah, because a volume can really move it.
NOTV round 2.
Yeah, it's so
Keep
cheap.
in mind earnings.
CVNA. BIOR. ADRA.
Order partially filled.
Jesus, look at this
Order
JKS
filled.
just going to the moon too.
Still low volume though.
CVNA.
Yeah, very little volume.
Starter CVN.
OTRK.
Yeah, I was hoping it would pop a little more through 5. but
OTRK.
Order cancelled.
hopefully it just drops for you now.
Find the halts rate.
Oh, yeah, 507.
I was hoping for 5 too, but it went right up to it. Started the struggle, so.
Moved it to 512.
OTRK. 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 CVNA.
ABTR is straight up, but not a lot of range there. Coin crap.
APRE. Solo. CVNA.
NOTV MO dollar.
Bulletin received.
APRE.
Order partially filled. Order
CVNA
filled.
high short interest.
CELU.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
BIOR. CELU, CVNA. CSIQ, APRE. IRRX. ADRA. We. AMC, BWEN.
You guys might want to check margin on.
Why won't let you add?
Oh,
Ug out of BP on
It's not
CVNA.
letting me add anymore.
CELU,
I have 600 shares.
CVNA.
Yeah, that doesn't seem right.
$600 shares.
Order cancelled.
Oh, right here,
What's your average on it?
508. It'd be much higher right now if I could have added. It says 25%.
NOTV.
Ouch.
more like no leverage. Maybe, well, it's got to be even worse.
I right now have $3,048 worth of shares. Telling me I don't.
That.
Or
Shut up, dude. I still don't understand how they can do that.
There should be something on the chart that tells you that. I mean, I'm not-
And then it's
I'm not-
because he's trading through DOS, and but it doesn't say it in, on your IB thing either.
Lays.
I mean, I don't. No way to check that unless you go through the process of putting this like order in.
APRN.
Oops.
CVNA. POWW.
Oof. Dude, I'm disturbing. Well, that's going a little crazy.
JKS.
Order filled.
Let me add 20.
25.
I kept going. I started at 200, went to 100, went to 50, went to 5, and it finally let me. It raised my average a penny.
BKKT.
Order cancelled.
Solo. BKKT. CVNA.
So I'm gonna take them.
It keeps going, huh?
APRN.
I was hoping for
Yeah, that's
kind
what
of
I'm
an
saying.
actual pullback.
If it's not going to pull back and you can't add, you're kind of rocking a hard place.
My average is essentially where the downhaul. It's just stupid.
BTBT.
Alright, I gotta start finding a trade too.
BKKT. Gatto. JKS.
Coin all the way back at the highs.
Gatto.
What the fuck? Unexpected. Are you in that CVNA too, Jake?
No. I was going to, but I didn't do it.
Well, you probably have all the buying power you need. You guys don't normally
Yeah.
get that crap.
I moved to 550,
That's
but wish that's when I
I'm
started.
just with everything you're going through, and I kind of hate that chart so much. I'm just gonna avoid it. It's not what I want from my first trade today.
Howell. IMBT.
I hope it dies for you.
I mean, my average is at the moment, so that's not good.
Oh yeah, it's 507.
Well, my
Oh my
average is
God, dude.
5088, so
BWEN.
Pretty much the whole price. Yeah.
IMBT.
hopefully the whole price will.
IMBT.
What a
And I
pain.
could try to recycle shares, like it's gonna bounce. Like
These ones are tough when it's just consolidated at the bottom for so long because you don't know what kind of push they can get,
Hollow. JKS.
unfortunately. And now if they don't let you add, you're just kind of screwed.
IMBT. Hollow.
just wish the whole price would move.
Get some focus on. Jesus, this JKS is going straight up.
I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go do something crazy happened downstairs. I'll be back.
Trying to. That was a weird.
Sounded like you said someone sat in mustard.
No, I think he said something crazy just happened downstairs. I'm just curious what happened. Like, what is the craziest thing that can happen in a daycare? Did Thomas get in the CBNA or he disappeared?
Yeah.
I know
I'm
he's
all
been a
out.
busy bee. Oh, you got out of it.
JKS.
I was
Did
just
you
being
have any,
quiet, letting Tim do his thing.
Did you have buying power issues or no?
I didn't get that high. I started way
Oh.
later than Tim did.
Got you. You looking at JKS? I mean, the volume is still kind of crappy, but Jesus, things going straight
GLP.
up.
Yeah, I just pulled it up just to see what you were talking about a minute ago.
Just going. It didn't set up for me today, but damn, the thing just went straight.
Why the hell is Carvana moving?
Look at this freaking at bottom of this daily. Somebody decided to push it. I don't know. I didn't hear any news.
I don't see anything.
But if you look at it, it's consolidated down here for a couple, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Dead cap bounce possibly here. I have no clue. Kind of what kept me away from it was that daily though. I don't like things that are that extended. JKS, dude, I don't know where you're going, but it won't let me
50
in it.
degrees. That's gonna suck because I think we would have been okay on that pullback. Had we
you
been
could've
able to
added.
add, would have been pretty big on it, but I think we would have been okay.
What's your average on it?
NCNA.
08 or something.
CNA.
I think it's 508 or something. JKS.
SDIG.
$5%. Original by default.
CVNA. GLP.
You didn't happen to short JKS for no reason up here, did you?
NCNA.
No, negative.
NCNA.
As you would have been making some money.
It'd be like, why would I short it up there?
It says it
I don't know why.
554.
I don't know why you would have, but it just dumped here. That's why I just said you didn't just happen to randomly short this, did you? It would have been 100% random. Yeah, randomly do something. If he would have shorted that, I would have been like, so FOMO got you, but good job. That's crazy.
SDIG.
Just taking half there and adding it back would have.
SDIG.
All right, JKS, you can go here. No, it's already there. No, spot, you can go back in it.
$620. now look in the comments. See if it does go a little higher. I can try to recycle my shares one time. Just rejects and gets a nice pullback. Really no sellers.
I'm sitting here contemplating. I'm trying to find a reason to jump in right there. And that was the first thing I said is nobody selling. Go sell.
BBBY.
I just hope it's not the big money trying to let retail, you know, they're getting their shares on these little dips, making it think it's going. Pretty screwed. Okay. That's a little ridiculous, man. Literally have $3,000 worth. I can't get any. I'm gonna have to message them, ask them about this one. I mean, it's 25% and it says marginal by default, so
OTRK.
understand why.
CGC and TB.
SDIG.
Have to let us know what they say, man.
OTRK. OTRK.
Curious how they.
OTRK. OTRK.
I think they'll just say when DOS does an update. I'm curious. Thomas went through that once with them.
OTRK. OTRK.
There's no way this just keeps
OTRK
rejecting
up.
the same area. It's gonna at least attempt to fake out, break out. It's the shitty part. No way it tests this many times. Try to go.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Did that get you?
Half off there.
Ghetto. Ghetto. LGHL.
Order filled.
MLGO. Ghetto.
Hmm.
NCNA.
Thomas, you jump back in that?
No worst timing ever. My wife called right when that happened.
I don't know. Would you jump in for that? It wasn't a huge extension.
For the fake out breakout, that's what I was thinking.
For the fake
along
out
with those
breakout,
things.
yeah, once it came back below 555-ish or so.
FUTU up.
Oh, Tim's got me afraid of this one. Like, literally.
ORMP.
Oh, it would have been half my starter for sure.
Man, I just hate that idea of not knowing what I can take. I mean, who knows if they decrease it now, you know? I don't know what they're going to do. They've already decreased it a lot from what they say we have, so.
Ghetto.
Yeah,
BDD
stop
is
it high.
Well, I hope it doesn't.
Have realized
Goes all the
loss,
way
but
in
my new
stars,
average is
Plus
532.
51 would be great.
It's a little better.
too.
When you do get rid of over half.
Yeah, I mean, I got rid of half and then got it back like 3 cents higher. I was hoping to get shares higher, but faked out quicker than I was hoping.
I'm back. What did I miss?
Nothing.
Futu's
Oh, wow,
kind of
man.
making a move.
Tim's still fighting that CVNA.
What's your average up now? 530s?
Yeah, but I got realized loss.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
He was,
decent
I don't know if you
loss.
were here, he couldn't add into it.
MLGO.
It's one of those where, yeah, you heard.
Yeah, I was here for that, yeah.
Yeah,
I only had
I'm like,
25
wait, you
shares.
were here. Nah. You can't add, so we had to take some off for the loss and recycle them to get his average up. Utu, what you doing, girl? Dude, I'm all over the place today, and I don't like that feeling. That is not my favorite.
FUTU dollar on way, I guess. Maybe it will go again.
Ghetto.
NOTV we.
Futu's coming down already, huh? Not that it looks like it gave an entry.
Yeah, I don't know if Thomas grabbed that or not.
NOTV
Nah, I
dollar
didn't
dollar
jump
dollar.
Yeah, that was one of those that I was kind of like,
Order partially filled.
I'm not feeling one.
Order
I mean,
filled.
I really don't want to take one of those for my first trade today. I'd rather PDD
All
is set
out.
up. Or... did it go up? Yep. Son of a B. Sorry, dude.
Was it a max for you?
I couldn't add enough to get.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
It's like it just sucks. It's just a sucky loss. Sorry, bro.
All out
You wouldn't think that would
CVNA.
happen with a $5 stock, huh?
Yeah, I don't quite
That's so
understand it.
frustrating. I mean, almost every time that crap happens, it's on something that's cheap. I think Thomas's was not 9. If I remember right. I remember saying the stock was $9. What the hell?
Yeah, I'm interested to hear what they tell Tim.
Yeah, me too. What did they tell you? They just told you DOS doesn't update, right?
That, and also it's per account basis.
Oh, you mean you could be restricted and me not?
That's what I'm waiting to see if it's the same thing.
That doesn't
But
make
that's what they told you?
Yeah.
What? That's nuts. So basically, you never know how many shares you have. That makes you feel safe.
But
Order
to
cancelled.
me, if that's the case, you look at my history, I trade these all the
FRTX.
time. I could see if Devin did it every once in a while to be restricted more than me. He doesn't trade this.
Yeah.
But I guarantee it's a freaking algo that's figuring it out and putting it on there.
Jay-Z.
Some
Oh,
individual
yeah, it's
sitting there
deciding, well,
watching.
his account is, I think it probably goes by account value more than what you trade. They probably look at it like, he doesn't have a huge account. This is a risky stock. Limit what he can buy, done.
LVRA.
JZHTB.
I guarantee you it's some crap like that. But if you had like a $300,000 account, they're not going to probably restrict you on anything.
Just don't understand how they can cash. Like that's 1/10 by cash.
Sounds like
We've
it's
been
time
down
for a
that
broker
road,
change.
though. We've said that a billion times. And I think almost every broker does that crap, to be honest.
Have you researched it?
No, but I would imagine.
Because I don't hear anybody else complain about it. Not saying you guys are complaining. I'm not doubting saying you guys. But if I had an issue, I would go somewhere else. There's a million other brokers. That's just me.
Honestly, like, it's never impacted me,
FUTE trails.
so I'm not too worried about it. But I don't trade a lot of
Yeah,
those stocks,
I get
and
you,
I don't,
but
and I don't.
It
I don't
happened to
add in
Tim
the way they
today,
do.
and that would kind of
Yeah,
put me off an end. I would definitely
I can understand that. Like, if it's hurting your strat,
exactly.
Order
sure.
partially filled.
It's a better
Order
way to
filled.
say it, besides my
hmm.
a-hole way of explaining things.
I've literally never had that happen, but I don't normally add in like that either. Charlie Echo Lima Hotel. Nope. I'm not gonna do anything with that.
Bark.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Dude, I have not taken a trade. You jig?
No. The only one I thought about was CVNA.
CELH.
Yeah, I was tempted on that one, but can't be doing that from my first trade. Then
BBBY
Tim started
YOLO.
having his issues, and I was like, nope.
Yeah, you'd have the same issues with buying power. Odds are. Oh, yeah.
MLGO. MLGO.
Order filled.
MLGO.
AFRM straight up. BBBY planing short in 2.9 and 3.2.
MLGO.
King eight.
Hey,
A bit interesting.
What you watching?
3.3 asterisk.
Big firm.
BBBY. MLGO.
That's a more expensive stock if I remember right. Oh god, not anymore.
It died with all the
Jeez, all these stocks are down so low, man. It's really hard for me to like want to short them.
SMLT.
Stay over there. Watching Futu. Possible one.
Load. JZ.
Jeez, come on, Jack, help me out, dude.
Load.
I guess BWEN would have been a good one.
I don't think it shares than that. Yeah, no. That's 3.
I did. I looked at it briefly, but that
BBBY pennies on the way.
because wasn't really doing much, but apparently did much.
It apparently did much.
Dropped like 70 cents from the high.
PDD, do. God, it's so choppy, bro.
Yep.
I thought PDD was just in the drop today, and it
ONCT.
is just chopping. Frustrating, man.
ONCT.
Carrot trails.
Oof. Dude, I thought about trading JKS over here. It's got like a 25-30 cent spread. I'm not touching that.
Pocket change.
Like, what the hell is that?
BBBY.
Why is a stock with 1.4 million in volume right now that's moving this type of move got a 30-cent spread? I can't do it.
Load.
Unbelievable, man. Today's a rough one. Yeah, dude, this thing hasn't had like, it's had like a 20-cent spread nonstop.
ONCT.
What are you watching, Jag? Wanna help me out?
I pulled up CTIC, but you don't want to watch it. Volume sucks.
No. No. I was gonna say, dude, maybe if it's cheaper and has volume, I'll be into it, but it doesn't have volume.
No, there's no volume.
Yeah, no, I'm not interested in that. You're correct, sir. I would like to say, nope, you're wrong. I'm gonna trade this, Jag. But you are not wrong.
IBIO.
Ugh.
You guys have shorts on BIOR?
No, I don't think so.
It's yesterday.
No.
It's been a halt.
I don't know if I'd be dying to short that one either.
No, you need it up over 7. Or right around 7. To even think about it. Preferably 840. But
POWW.
Jag,
Yes.
When you bust out with you want something that's at 6 over 840, you're probably not starting to look at this at the right time.
So it halts
That's
it.
funny.
It slowed down the process. I don't have
Freaking
short.
JKS, dude, with this spread, I don't even know how to trade it.
The volume's not great either. 1.5.
JKS?
Yeah. I mean, it's better than a
Yeah,
lot.
no. Finally got up to 1.5. I mean, dude, this whole big move up, it was like 400,000.
Yeah.
CPAR.
Spread's just been trash on it. 30 cents right there. Nope. I just can't look at that. Alright, PDD, you've got to be my girl and do something awesome. JKS just ain't doing it for me.
Bluetooth doesn't looks like crap now too.
POWW.
I just wanted to have $1 million day, that's it.
V looks like crap.
I don't understand when I'm looking for like $1 million in one day, why the market just won't give it to me.
Not a friendly market. Oh, SPY's going back up.
This Futu chart is kind of tricky too.
There's no volume there really right now anyway.
Futu.
5,000 shares a minute, approximately.
Can't even find like the freaking idea on that one.
LCID interesting if you have them.
Sucks
Go
so
go
bad,
go
bro.
type of thing.
BBBY.
You have LCID, Jag?
What?
LCID?
Nope, do not have.
HYFM.
So that means we don't have them either. Yep, hard to borrow. What is this? Like all these beat up off the bottom stocks are getting popped today?
I don't know what to do. I might have to just brokers because even if I click on the thing to check in real time, I mean, it says margin, it's fine, and it's 25%, but not even effing close to that.
No, if it wouldn't let you go over that, that's ridiculous.
Who would you trade to, change to? Out of curiosity.
Oh, look. But there's no way that I can, like, it's a $5 stock. If I have to worry about trading a $5 stock and running out of buying power, how am I going to willingly trade a $10 stock?
Yeah, because you didn't even use any margin.
I didn't even use a tenth of my account.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I mean, so it makes no sense.
There's supposed to be 4-to-1 margin on top of your cash account. I didn't even
Yeah.
get to use 1/10 of my cash account.
Yeah, which makes no sense.
Not
Did
at
you
all.
message him?
Yeah, I'm talking to him. Makes no fucking sense. It's essentially along the lines of what they said.
What did they say?
Saying we cannot comment on why DOS shows different margin requirement, but our margin requirement is not a fixed percentage as I explained, which first thing they said. So it would be calculated on risk basis too, and we use the largest result as margin requirement. And I was like, what's the restriction on CVNA? And they said it's not a restriction, but there are numerous factors that could be factored into our margin algorithm. Please use check margin preview order feature to determine the impact of your existing portfolio. I said, I do not have the time when trading as fast as I do. I would never think that on a $5 stock, I'd be limited to a $3,000 position. That is 1/10 my account size without margin. And I was like, what are these numerous factors? They linked me something which I haven't looked at yet. And it says concentration will most likely factor in your case as you do not have other diversified portfolio. And I was like, I'm a PDT. How does a diversified portfolio matter?
PRTS.
And it's your own cash you're using. You're not even using any of their money.
But what does it
Sounds like
matter if I have a portfolio with them or not? Like zero.
No, it doesn't. It
Difference.
sounds like they're trying to pull some.
You're a peon and don't matter. Do what you do.
Yeah, they really don't care about your 30K or whatever in there.
No, which I understand that, but at the same time, like I want to understand why they're doing what they're doing. So I said, I'm a PDT. How does the diversified portfolio matter? And she just responds, no.
ONC.
What? No.
What are you gonna
That's
say,
what it
Jag?
is.
I'm sorry.
Is there any way for you to know before you get in a stock?
You have to
They have-
do it through their TWS bullshit. The check margin preview order thing. So you'd have to act like you're gonna put an order in on TWS's order form, which is a bunch of clicks.
Yes, that thing's a nightmare.
Yeah, and by the time you do that, like the move could be over.
Yes.
They're saying so they're saying PDT status does not affect the margin requirement, which is bullshit because it should. It should totally separate you from everything else.
But see, the thing is, the margin requirement shouldn't even matter because you didn't use any margin. You're using your own cash.
Ghetto.
So that makes
Yeah,
no
that's the
sense.
thing I would ask is the thing I don't understand is why I can't just use my own cash in that trade. I'm not looking to use your margin.
Your margins.
But then again, there is when you're shorting, I think you have to be using margin because you can't short without margin. So they can probably reduce you
I
whatever
always
you
wondered
want
about
because that's
that.
their choice.
Because in CMAG, when you're trading, when you're shorting on CMAG, it always says you're shorting on margin.
Yeah, no, you can't short not a margin. If you don't have a margin account, you cannot short at the end.
Yeah, I get that point.
So I think
I
they
just always
always
thought
calculate.
when I
I
first
think they
started
all.
that I was
I
using
think
my own money.
because shorting is them giving you the shares. I think they're always using margin. Oh, that's probably it, Tim.
Yeah, I was about to say the same thing when you got finished.
Because
That's it.
they're giving you the
borrowing
shares. You're
their
not using
shares.
your money. You're only using their margin. The end. So all you have is that 4 times their margin. If they make it 100%, that's all you have. Your money doesn't matter. You're not using your money for a short ever.
And then if it's too risky on their end, they start changing the margin requirements.
Well, and I wasn't even thinking that, but when I said it, I'm like, that's the reason. That makes sense.
I mean, I understand that and all, but where's the limit? I mean, even if I could quadruple my size there's no way I'm losing the size of my account. Like, I understand what they're trying to do as far as protecting themselves, but what are they protecting themselves from? It's not like I was ever going to lose $32,000 on that trade.
I mean, I don't know, but I think they can do whatever they
the
want with it.
algorithm thinks.
I mean, I was
it's an
maxed
algorithm
out.
saying risky, done.
And if you look at this chart, I lost probably the maximum I could lose, like the way that it's trading. So for it to do what it did, and I only lost $330. That's 1% of my account.
Doesn't make any sense.
IDK, man.
Of course, I tried
It
to
does
get in
make
on
sense.
the backside of this, and I pretty much perfectly played it, but it came right back up to my stop me out.
No, Bluetooth's already not moving.
No, it hasn't done anything.
I know, man. It's a bummer. This AHR is probably going to make the move that I wanted it to yesterday, but the volume in that is so bad, dude.
It looks like crap too, yeah.
I think it's going to hit 30.50. That's what I was trying to get yesterday, but I made a decent chunk of change on that yesterday, but it didn't get to my target.
BBBY, BBBY.
And I can't trade it with no volume, so. So on a move, huh? What's Amazon doing? Oh shit, that made a big move up.
RPAY.
Order
So CMARC
partially
sent me a
filled.
thing that said
Order
they're coming
filled.
out with their own trading platform, and to email for a demo. So I emailed them. It's not available in my jurisdiction. Yeah. All right. I guess it's not available in the States.
That's probably the issue. You'd have to be in, where were they, Trinidad or something?
Trinidad, Tobago.
Yeah, that was it.
This is
You live
dumb, by
there.
the way. Don't ever do it. Just basically to make a on money.
BBBY.
Here, take more money because you're a moron.
We revenge trading now.
What'd you get in at?
I would assume
Stop
right
that.
here.
I was just looking for it to continue its breakdown.
APPH.
Do you guys have shorts on Bed Bath & Beyond? Probably not.
I don't think so. Oh, look at BBBY making a move today, huh?
Aren't they going bankrupt?
Yes. Yes, they are. Today is the day of all these companies that have just had the crap kicked out of them to try to rebound a little bit. Except for PDD, that is doing nothing today.
BBBY.
go help with lunch. I'll be back maybe later. I don't know. We'll see.
Bring me back. Bring me back some lunch, man. I'll take some meatballs. Take some nuggets.
Yeah. All right. Good luck.
Make me a dinosaur one. I want a T-Rex. I don't think he's gonna bring me a T-Rex nugget.
APPH.
What are you doing on a day like today, DT? With the SPY being as choppy as it is right now.
I don't trade chop.
So you're not trading this?
Not for real. I was messing around with some things, but that was on an actual sim account.
Yeah, I'm looking at the SPY. That's super choppy right now.
Yeah, when it's, chop, you don't know where it's going.
No, for sure. It's gonna go up, go down.
Yeah,
Could just stay
you
here.
can get in
Yeah.
and you can play chop. I mean, there's a way to do it, but I don't know. I don't like it.
I'm not good at that either. Steve's good at those, actually. Weirdly, that's one of those people.
Order
that knows how to play
cancelled.
chop.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I didn't. There's what is it? CPI numbers come out tomorrow, so I kind of was just
Holding off.
doing other things. I got salespeople bugging me to try to push beers on me.
Beer. Guys, this is gonna be my first
Well-
kid-free weekend in a long time.
Some salesmen, they do this thing where, like, okay, so there's a popular beer called the Alchemist. It's
okay.
a seasonal beer. It's very hard to get. People want it. So she got me a
Okay.
case of it. And of course, a few days later, she waits and goes, "Hey, can you carry this beer? Can you take some of this beer?" I'm like, "You trying to hit your numbers?" And she replies back and goes, "Thanks for your honesty." I was like, "I know your job."
That's funny.
But they would. I don't know if you know what Yingling is.
I know what a dingling is, not a yingling.
Well, you probably don't because you're not from this area. But Yingling Lager, it's made here. It's a pretty big beer. They're always trying to push Yingling because I don't carry it and I don't want to
LV.
carry it. They always try and push it on me.
For stocks that have significantly decreased in value during the last year, they and their derivatives will be subject to a stress test that simulates the effect of the underlying stock returning to its highest 5-day average price over the year. It's told me. Apparently
What
that
the
has something
fuck?
to do.
Oh, fuck.
Apparently that has something.
That's some crazy
AEA.
risk management department shit.
It
Did
says,
you
well,
say back? I have
for
no clue
sure.
what that means.
Pretty much. They said the margin requirement for shorts can be well above the order value. Back to discussing.
So basically, there's nothing they're gonna do for you,
Basically.
or nothing they can do about it.
Come on, bitch. Go into a down halt.
Yeah, I'm just holding. At this point.
You get back in with your full 600.
Just 500. Hold it 540. Way down. I was waiting for it to reject that 550 area before. So when it did, that's when I jumped. Then of course it went right back. Tried to stop me.
APPH.
Shit, this
Making
thing
sure you're
at this
promo
point.
trading correctly, sir.
If I
You
was
are.
gonna try
You
to
are.
make
You're doing
everything,
well.
I mean, I'm doing it responsibly.
Yeah.
Like I'm not like getting in and risking high a day. Like I'm getting in, risking like
Yeah.
8 cents.
Gotcha. That's funny.
Watch, this bitch will go all the way down. If I would have just held my original.
Isn't that the way it always works?
Usually, it's what makes people blow up, because then they have it.
And then the next one doesn't go back down. They're like, what the hell?
Standard view app and previous 630.
Okay, Devin, do not take crappy trades
Nice.
just because you haven't had one. God. I'm looking to jump in Futu, and I'm like, this is not my setup. What am I doing?
It's odd.
SUPV.
What, Futu?
Yeah.
I think I might head on back down, but I can't enter right here. But might go back down to 46 bucks, which is $3 away, so it's worth an eye. Things definitely been rangy.
Lays. Lays.
The lace says hard to borrow, but on IB it says we have 68.
Would suck. LASE.
LASE.
Well, how would we even short it? You know,
That's what to say.
Maybe-
What happens when you hit the short button?
we don't even have an S there.
I know, but that's what I'm saying. It says on PWS that they're
That's funny.
Up.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Story of my life recently. One good day followed by a crappy day. You hit anything yet, Thomas?
Nah, I'm watching Tim play with this one.
Dude, I hate it when Young Charlie's on today. You weren't alone on that CVNA. Got AJ too, huh?
OSH up.
Lays.
I would imagine B and all those guys were in that too, huh?
Nope, Brian never took it.
He never took it.
Really? That's weird. Did he give a reason why?
Grass.
This seems like something he would have taken, you know? Like, for sure. Oh my god, dude, we're freaking over an hour in. Yeah, I'm gonna go make some food. I'm back.
Later.
Lays.
Officially out of shirts.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Carrot lunch on way.
I didn't even have my chat. Smart concepts. No, it sucks, but look, lifetime. Oh, I'm not worried about this over. It's just annoying because I feel like had I been given the opportunity to trade it correctly, I would have been fine.
Carrot trail.
On this first pullback up here, the only reason I added here was because I was just testing to see if I could. But here, if you saw me, that's where I would have been adding pretty heavy on this pop through 550. And I think I would have at least been able to get it up to this 525 area, or at least remotely close. And then it gave me a couple chances. So the loss would have been definitely smaller. But unfortunately, I couldn't. It was a little bit ridiculous. And I thought I was starting it small. Do you guys remember when I first got in? I was like, oh, I just took 200 shares, starting it small. I was basically just looking to make 20 bucks. That's why I was okay with adding when I did. But I don't even think if I waited till here to add the first time and then maybe added another 200 here, I don't even know. Let me see where that would have put. So the first entry was what? Say for plus, say if it was 520, so we'll undercut that one a little bit, and then say 550 on the three. It would have made our average 522, right where it's at. So had I been able to do like a 112 or just smash it up there, I would have at least got my average up to where it bounced. So I would have been at least I would have been able to take some off for like a small loss. And what I would have did after that, I don't know, because I probably only take half there, especially if I'm taking it for a loss. But regardless, not being given the opportunity to do it is the problem here. It's the annoyance. It's a little bit ridiculous that I can only short $3,000 worth of $5 stock. Like, love to see this go down and try 5. I'd probably see what it does there. Not sure if I'd take anything off. Don't think it's gonna do that, but to see it. I'm just hoping if it does try to break higher, it can't do app. And I mean, it hasn't really broke higher off of a bounce level yet, so I have to get through this like 527 area, and we'll see what it does if it gets through there at VWAP. But obviously, I'm not moving stop. Obviously, try to go through VWAP and through a pivot point. I saw BB. Dog out. Well, sits here. I was walking back and it sounded like it's a ghetto. Ghetto.
CELU. CELU.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Don't want to. Here, let's take it.
Holy.
Up, down.
Lace.
TGTX chat up in background, needs the go go go.
Wouldn't that be funny if it let me?
Lace.
Like, oh, here, which is you? Not gonna find out.
Lace. Lace.
37.
Lace.
Gonna put my stop there if it started going down, but I don't want to move my stop down there so you can see it. that many shares. So let's get back
ARWR
down there.
similar, charts up.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
All right, all done with that one. Figured I'd try to add as close as I could. As my risk level. I wasn't about to let it. There must have been a bigger stop here, and they were just coming to get it.
Lays. 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 Gatto. 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 Lays. 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 Lays.
LASE plan in 4.2.
IXAQ. Lays. Holy. At all. AQMS, AQMS, AQMS. Lays. 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 Gatto. Holy.
I think it might be rotated, size well if you have to be there. Gracias.
Holy. BIOR. Ghetto. BIOR. Holy. Holy. Ghetto. BRDN. SRZN. BIOR. AEAE. FPAC.
Hi guys. Kind of sucks. Got stuck in a trade.
BIOR.
Do about it. But I'll be in the Discord for a little bit. I just got, again, stuff to do around the house, so get that stuff done. Hold close. Guess we'll see what happens as far as moving forward as far as the broker goes, because it's happened a few times at this point, and I don't want to wonder what's going on. If I can even play a stock the way that I would normally play it. So, I don't know. We'll see. Appreciate y'all being here. Is what it is. I think that gives back our year.
IXAQ. IXAQ.
Just on. Yeah, it takes back our year so far. We were up $250, so now we're down $272. So we'll be down like $20 on the year. Hey, wouldn't be fun if it wasn't a challenge, right? So that actually breaks a pretty long
Lays.
We had 28 trades in a row that we were green. Again, it sucks that it took something for them to limit our buying power to kind of get us out. And again, this might have ended up red anyway. I just think it wouldn't have been as bad because I definitely think I'm taking some off here regardless. But it is what it is. We're going to move on from it. and we'll be back tomorrow morning. So with that said, if you want to join the Discord, you can. Links down below. Twitter is also in the description, and I will find out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Anything, Brewskis?
Nada, nada.